I finally carried this bag and I wanted to share my thoughts. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me in the Babe Cave. Yeah, it took me a while to get in the large, or to me, extra large denim Rowan. It took me a couple weeks to even get myself to be in it, but I didn't want to sell it. I didn't want to return it, so I finally just made myself get into it, and I did buy another piece. It showed up, and I'll show you what's inside and my thoughts on this large Rowan. And no, I have not used the crossbody strap. I may just end up doing this top handle. And I put my Coach outlet chain on there, which is so cute. I kept the cherry on the hang tag. And the item I received had this, so I put it on my back zipper and a cherry on the back. Because you know, when you're carrying your bag, sometimes they flip around, so why not have charms on both sides in case you grab this side as the front. So I have taken it out, and I love the look of this bag. I wish it was either the regular Rowan a little bit, but I just can't get myself to return it or sell it. I like what they did with this bag. I like the back pocket. I like the space inside, because you know, large bags are back in style, right? Let me show you what is inside in my new item that I got. It's kind of a surprise. I'm selling my chambray Nolita 15, so I wanted a piece from this collection, which is the wristlet. I don't love that this is not detachable, but it was reasonable price. It popped up again, and so I use it as kind of my lipstick, perfume, contact, little catch-all. Or you can make this your billfold wallet. I just did a fast, lazy switch into this bag, so I just threw my lipsticks and chapsticks type stuff in there. And I just don't fill a big bag up. I just have the wristlet, my Fendi sunglasses, some gum, and some gift card that we have not used, a fan. If you're my age, you understand why you need this fan. Some breath strips, a pin, and I use this as my wallet because I just keep using it. And there is a lot of wear on Florentine leather, so if you are using one of these, mine has gotten beat up on the back side, as you can see. So it's gonna get used. I don't mind that it has these on the back. I plan on using this. It's in the color navy, Dooney and Burke Florentine. Now, if this was a bag, I would not want to beat up Florentine, but since it's inside my bag, it's just gonna get used. It's gonna get used, and there's gonna be some scratches and some pokey holes. That's just how it goes. And then in the pocket, I have my Dollar Tree flashlight, my mace, and my sanitizer from Dollar Tree. This is the only one that I have been able to pick up that is similar to the fancy, or the more expensive brand. This is the dupe for it, and this is a watermelon scented. So I have not been lucky enough to get any more of these. But yeah, that's all I carry in it. I just can't fill a large, extra large bag, and I probably never will. And who needs all the extra weight in items that you barely use in your bag anyway? I am a minimalist inside my bag. I just don't like to fill a big bag. And some fun things that I've been doing is I really enjoy diamond art. Lately, I have been trying to listen to music more, do my diamond art painting. You know, the weather's kind of crappy off and on. Most of this winter has been crappy. So this one I did originally, and it was up on my door, and this was my first diamond art painting, and I had fun doing the owl. So this one was pretty easy compared to the one I'm about to show you, because this one does not have diamonds all throughout it. And so this was my beginner. And so after this one was done, I told my husband, I'm like, I want another one, but bigger. What was I thinking? So this one is currently on my table where I normally have purses. But this is an area where I can do my diamond art with all the lighting I have, natural light plus my studio lights. It makes it easier on this mammoth of a diamond art. I'm gonna show you most of the film off of it. See, it is the biggest diamond art, and every single part is a diamond. Not just some parts, the whole thing. And I'm gonna hold it up close so you can see how much I've done. You can kind of see I have really worked on this probably for a few weeks. It's gonna take me a few weeks longer, but I don't care. Sometimes you gotta unplug, stop watching, get in your creative juices flowing again. That, at least I do. I just want a calm with some 80s rock in the background, diamond art, and I just can do this for hours. And I have. And my back is angry because I can't get myself to stop. Anyway, reason why I brought this up is because I had the idea, since I'm loving diamond art, I actually blinged out my keychain. Yeah, my keychain's got a grill and some red diamond art. This is the first one I've ever done that to, and I used this spray. So I thought, okay, that's gonna work for, you know, fast tack use on multiple surfaces. And it is working, but I didn't realize how much came out of this. And I should have covered up my words because I sprayed the whole thing. And yeah, so this was just a test run, but what do you think of my blinged out keychain? Bag charm if I wanted it to be, but this just took me about 10-15 minutes to do. It really wasn't that hard. Plus I enjoy it. I'm letting it dry currently because, like I said, I sprayed the whole thing instead of covering up my lettering, which I should have done. Sometimes I get so excited about a project, I think of things after the fact. Because sometimes just creations have a life of their own with me. I'll just get started on something and I won't know how it's gonna finish or if I need to tweak something. It just flows out how it's gonna go. And I pick certain rhinestone, diamonds, and it just goes. So anyway, that's what I've been doing because I kind of want to turn off YouTube, turn off news. I want to breathe in and out, and I enjoy diamond art. And I will show you this big diamond art when it's finished because I'm going to get a frame. So back to my thoughts on the Rowan. I liked it enough to not return it, okay? So I'm pretty sure I'm past the window and it really doesn't matter. I finally used it. It is big, but I guess I'm into big bags, and especially this style with the top handles. I'm going to carry it more, and I'm going to try it with the crossbody strap and see how I feel about carrying it that way, but it's so big, I don't know that I'm going to do that. Anyway, go check out La Vida with Kim. I will put her right here. And she got me started on thinking, because I hadn't done diamond art in a couple years. I took a break. And this has been sitting on my floor for a year or two for me to pick it up again. And now is the time, and I am enjoying it. And I may consider making other keychains. If you like diamond art, they do have little packets of bag charm keychains that you can make on your own. And I am thinking about that and doing some of my own. So final thoughts, I'm glad I kept it. I know some people were probably mixed emotions with this one. This is the original one that I wanted, which is the Laurel. It could be a shoulder bag or crossbody. So it is the perfect size for me. No feet on the bottom, but this, I could not get out of this one a couple weeks ago. I probably carried it a week. And you can see the size difference there. For some reason, let me show you the bottom. Let's compare. See how much bigger or wider the Rowan is compared to this one? I think that's why I like this one, because it's slimmer and it hugs your body better, and it's the perfect bag. And I've only carried it on my shoulder, so next time I carry it, I'm going to try it crossbody. But this size is my perfect size, and this size is huge to me. Even though they're basically the same length. Maybe just a slight shorter on the Laurel. But yeah, so I'm keeping my large Rowan. I was not sure. I didn't cut the tag off for a couple weeks, just thinking it over. Sometimes I'm like, would I have liked the mini Rowan better? I'm not sure, because I don't like packing stuff in a tight little bag. I feel like the regular Rowan is the sweet spot for me. But obviously I kept it and I'm carrying it. That's my thoughts. I obviously really like it because I couldn't return it. So bottom line, it's mine. And I really didn't want 2 denim pieces, but here I am with 2 bags and 2 accessories. I love the little Rowan bag charm, so cute. Kim blinged hers out, which also got my spark of creativity and doing my diamond art that I know I have. So sometimes it's just good to pause and do something that distracts you from a lot of things going on. And for me, diamond art is fun. However, am not going to bling out probably my accessories from Coach or Dooney. I haven't decided that far in advance if I'm going to do something like that. But I'll let you know, of course, if I do. So thanks, Kim, for giving me the creative juices that I needed to get started on this giant diamond art. But tell me, do you love the large Rowan, and did you keep it? Or did you get the mini Rowan? And did you get the Laurel, which is my favorite style? They knocked it out of the park with this one. So anyway, those are my final thoughts. I know you're probably sick of denim. And, I think that's all I had to share for you today. And I will have a bag unboxing coming. It's already here, and it's from Fashion File. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you won't miss my videos. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Enjoy life. Go outdoors if you can. Today is cold again. We had a spring day and then we went back to cold, so it happens like that all the time. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.